The performer shape, cyan colored, is actually where you save a complete Kadabra state. Its sequences, loops, arpeggios, the active scale, and harmony. Your master shape, tempo, motion assignments, and everything you made for your performance. And then, upload it in real time for a beat mix while your loop is playing. Or when you start a new track. If you don't have the cyan color performer in one of your shifters, then hold the 3 shifters together to change to shaper and choose the first combi. In this tutorial, we'll save a Kadabra state to a user set and load a factory set. And then go back to our track by loading it from our user set. We'll also explore how it can work as a scene selector for progressing a song. Let's start by looking at our loops, sounds, and harmony. We'll go to our looper first and see which patterns are used for sequences and our recorded loop. They both are playing pattern 3 at 1 bar length. We have sound 9 in our keyboard balls row, and sound 7 and 10 in our bars row. Our scale is C major in its first harmony. That's a very simple state, but it's enough for showing how to use the performer shape in its most basic form. Let's get to the performer shape. By pressing the 5th combi, I'm selecting the first user set to be used. There are 8 user sets and tribel-tools factory set to use. Just know that the factory set will reset at every update of the OS. Each set has 36 tracks, or scenes, or as we call them, states. And we're about to save a song into a song bank. So now we're changing our performer to save mode by flicking the 2nd combi. Once. Are you ready? Let's save. Hold the first thumb button and don't let go. Press the 3rd combi button to save the state to combi 3, in bank 1, of user set 1. You can release your thumb. That's all it takes. That state of the Kadabra can always be loaded now. Let's load a track from tribel-tools factory set. We should do it while playing our track. Let me just quick play the loop. Get to load mode by flicking the 1st combi. Tribel-tools factory set is selected by pressing the 4th combi. Hold the 1st thumb button and don't let go. Choose a track, like that one from the 2nd combi, and notice how everything changes in an instance. Even our keyboard sounds. Now we can load our track back. We're still in load mode. Selecting our user set 1 by pressing the 5th combi. Again, hold the 1st thumb button and don't let go. Choose our track in combi 3. And voila! I'll quickly set the drum sequence to a different pattern and make some other sounds mixed to the loop, just to show you how it can be used as a scene selector. Going to performer. Selecting save mode. Bank 1. State 4. Release thumb 1. Set to load mode. Hold bank 1 again. And select state 3. And 4. And 3. And that concludes the first performer shape tutorial.